Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. I'll be cooking sardine fish with you guys. Come on guys, 2 in 1 sardine fish stew. That's what I am cooking. That you can also use it as sardine, just like so guys. Then I'll be serving with a couscous, avocado, and with some small salad on the side. Guys, as you can see, this fish you can get it in Balti Market, 10 for £4. So I've got a worth of £6 fish there. So I'm going to scale it as well for you guys. So I got bell pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, some chili, and so also I have some oil, extra virgin oil. You can use any kind of oil you desire to use for this dish, guys. It doesn't have to be specific. And sometimes if you don't want to use chili, it's okay. So this is how you scale it. So you go ahead and scale it. Be careful, it's a bit soft. This is why I didn't take the bone in the middle, because it was soft for some reason. I don't know why. It's supposed to be a bit hard, but very, very soft, the fish. Yes. So go ahead and clean it very well, just like so. Take your time. Also, if it's a bit soft, the fish, clean it while it's frozen. It's much better, so it doesn't fall apart while cleaning it. So I'm going ahead and wash the vegetable. Then I will slice it just like so. Then everything now is ready. It's time to cook, guys. I've got some seasoning and bay leaf, black pepper mix, and then with some Maggi cube there. So once the pan is hot a bit, then I will just go ahead and add in the onions, the white one and the red one. Depending your size, you don't need to put a lot, yeah, because I will be eating it with the couscous. That's why I need some stew, guys. Then I'll put enough bay leaf for the spice, guys, and then add all the chili, just like so. Then with some seasonings, the cow head, and then with some red one there for the color. Then I'll go ahead and add 2 spoons of the black pepper mix. Yeah, once I add all the spice, then I'll put the heat up a bit now, because I'm going to add some Maggi cube. Once I add the Maggi cube, I'll go in with the oil. The oil you can use up to 250 ml, because with this stew I'm cooking, we need a lot of oil. Remember, it's 2 in 1 stew versus sardine fish, guys, so we need some more oil. So I just add the oil. Now I'm going ahead and put the lid on to steam a bit. Once it steam up a bit, that's it. You can see how it's bubbling. You can go ahead and stir it up, because we don't want it to burn. So once you stir it up like that for 10-15 minutes, then add in the sardine fish. Now if you want, you can turn the cooker off this stage, let the pot cool down a bit, but I choose to do it while it's cooking. Okay, if you want it to look more like sardine at this stage, turn the cooker off, then you go ahead and add the fish. So once I add all the fish, I'm going ahead now again and add some star Maggi cube for taste. Then I will go in with more oil. Remember, I said 250 ml I am using, guys. So I'm adding the remaining and with some water, guys. This water could have been enough, but I went again and add up to 100 ml of water. Once you add it, you can use boil or cold, it's all good. Put the lid on again and leave it to boil very well, look like so. Pay attention to the heat. Yes, so that's it. If you made a mistake, add more water, just leave it to boil. Sardine fish doesn't fall apart when you're cooking it, guys, as you can see. You can use pressure cooker or any kind of cooker, but when you use pressure cooker, it gives you that sardine look more. Yeah, but it's all okay. Just look for a good non-stick oil pan to cook. Yeah, once you leave it to cook 10-15 minutes, let's say 20 minutes at this stage, when you add the oil, water, and put the lid on, leave it to cook for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. That's it. Voila, it's all done. This is ready. This is your sardine fish stew, guys. Look at that. Very nice. 2 in 1. You see, it looks like sardine. You can also have it like stew, guys, because I add more of the vegetable, so it make it look like stew. So now you can have it with any kind of food. If you're tired of eating rice, guys, you can change diet like this. Just look for something light in the evening after a long shift. you cook like this. Oh, it's so refreshing. Don't mind the bones, just eat with your hands, guys. It's very good to eat with your hands. You feel blessed for the day. That's the way you bless your food every single day, when you eat with your hand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let me know what my presentation look. Comment, please. Like, share to others. Love it.